I want to tell you about chilies today. Catherine's been talking to some people on Instagram, and Lancashire Hot Pot set up a challenge, and so we thought we'd take part. So it's a challenge for particularly if you're new to gardening, or if you're new to growing chilies, perhaps you haven't grown them before. We're not being sponsored, by the way, to do this, but we picked up this kit. I'll show you now. We picked up this kit from Wilko. It's Chilli Trio Grow kit. There it is, from Wilko. These are £2, by the way, from Wilko, and there's 3 types of chili in here. There's cayenne, habanero, and niger, and the different hotness to them. This is an ideal kit for beginners, or is it? Because we've never grown them from these kits before. So we're going to see how we get on with these kits, and it's a challenge for anybody to go out there. You can get these in Wilko now, up until I think April. They cost about £2 to buy the entire kit, and they come in these like little grow house plasticky things, 3 little pots, and there's some like what's it called, that expandable stuff, you know, that you pour water on and it gets bigger. It acts like so. And it's got seeds in here as well, so we'll have a look in there. But on the back of this, I want to draw your attention to this. It's will you take on the chili challenge? Grow your own fresh chilies at home and see if you can take the heat in this complete chili seed starter kit. Has anybody ever grown stuff using these kits before? We thought we'd try them. We thought it's an ideal thing for a YouTube challenge. If you're up for it, we can grow together. So go to Wilko, get yourself one of these kits, and we can compare photos, and you can watch a series of videos that we're going to make of us actually sowing these and seeing how they get on a week by week basis, I suppose. And then at the end of it, we'll do a little taste test if we've got anything to show for it. So yeah, it's a Chilli Trio Grow kits from Wilko. So make sure you get hold of one of those. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube, and let's see how we get on with this chili challenge. So let's make a start, shall we? Now, the first thing you'll notice is that there is a staple at the top of the packaging. It's important that you carefully remove this. Don't try and tear the package apart, because quite simply you're going to need this bubble packing. This will form part of your grow house kit, as it were, you know, so we don't want to destroy that. Yep. There we go. Okay, let's see what's inside. We've got seeds. Again, they're stapled to the cardboard inserts here, so carefully remove them. We're getting impatient and want to tear them apart. Yeah, there you go. Detach the seeds from the cardboard. See what we've got. 3 packets of seeds. Cayenne pepper, which is generally a hot pepper. Habanero is very hot pepper, and niger is the extremely hot pepper. So different variations of spiciness, these peppers. Inside we've got 2 pellets in each pot of coir dehydrated coir, which is kind of like the husks of coconuts. So they're inside. Coir is ideal for seed growing, actually, because it has virtually no nutrients, which seeds need low nutrient kind of value. It says on the card here that sow indoors from February to April, so we're well in time for that. And the instructions on the back. Here we go. I'll read them off the card now. Place the coir discs in a bowl and add approximately 180 mils of water. Allow the water to fully absorb and create a soil-like consistency. Add moist coir to each pot. Thinly sow 1 to 2 seeds per pot and lightly press down to cover. Pots can be placed back in the plastic clamshells and act as a mini propagator until the seeds appear. There you go. Excess seeds can be stored for future sowings. So, we'll do as the instructions tell us to do, because I always like to do as I'm told. So there we go. Put them in a bowl, coir, and let's get them rehydrated to something we can use. I'm using a lukewarm water here. I want to get the chilies off to a nice start, so a hand hot water. Let's get these rehydrated. I must say though, you know, for £2, this is great value, these kits, because, you know, a packet of chili seeds, although you don't get many seeds in these packs, but a packet of chili seeds would cost you, what, $2.99 for just a packet of seeds? And you've got the entire works here. And 3 varieties as well, which isn't bad. So it's like making a cake. As that's absorbing the water, it's a good idea to make out some labels. Label your chilies. Okay, like I said, there's only a few chilies in each packet, and it does say on the instructions 1 to 2 seeds per pot, but I'm actually going to plant them all in a single pot, because, you know, it's in for a penny, in for a pound. They may not all germinate, and if they do, that's a bonus. We can separate them out as they grow. So, yeah, just plant them evenly apart across the surface of the pot. Give them space to grow each individual seed. I think there's about between 6 and 8 seeds in each packet. So use a bit of coir on top to just cover the seeds with. It's nice and damp, so, and warm. The thing about chilies is they need a warm temperature to help germinate them. A higher temperature than they actually need when they're growing, strangely enough. So quite warm. They take between 7 and 21 days to germinate, so they're quite a long germinating one. They take much longer than tomatoes, but they are related to tomatoes. But they take much longer to germinate. So do the same with the other 2 pots. And put in your markers. It's quite a nice little kit, this. Never tried them before, but, you know, normally we just get packet seeds and, you know, put them on the propagator, and there you go. So, that's the 3 varieties done. Wash my hands. and yeah, place them in your little mini propagator and press them together. They've got two studs on either side at the top. Just press in and that should keep them in position. So in about 14 days these should germinate. This is a heated seed tray that provides gentle heat to seedlings on the windowsill. And it's a great position for them because it gets lovely morning sun. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in our next Chilli Challenge video.